Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to edit your control center on iOS 18. All right, so let's begin with the video. So in order to edit, the first thing is to pull down the control center menu just like that. Or if you have a home button, just double press on it. This menu will pop up. Now, in order to edit this, all you're going to do is click on that plus icon up here. This will put you in edit mode. Now, in edit mode, there are two main things you can do here. You can remove a specific icon or add a control. So if I want to add one, I can go ahead and tap it here, and it will go ahead and add it. I can tap more, and I can add as many as I want to this menu. Another thing you can do is remove them as well. So if you want to remove one, you can simply tap on it, and it will be removed. Finally, you can drag them around as well. So if I wanted to drag, let's say this one over here, you can see I can move it around to different places just to customize the way I want my control center to look. Here, you can do as much customization as you want, however you like it, and that will give you the ability to edit. Once you're done and satisfied, tap Anywhere, and that will exit edit mode. Then you can swipe up, and the next time you swipe down, you should see your customized edited control center on your iPhone in iOS 18. So that's basically how you can edit your control center on iOS 18. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.